I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by working non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer or convert it to a smart object so you can revert. Next, inspect the image at 100% and turn off any soft proofing that masks true color. Open the camera raw filter or add a curves adjustment layer to begin neutralizing magenta. Use the targeted tool to sample neutral areas. This first pass establishes a neutral baseline and prevents overcorrection as you move into more precise adjustments. Once you have a baseline, target the magenta by switching curves to the red channel and gently pulling down the midtones, or use selective color to reduce magenta in reds, neutrals, and whites. Sample known neutral points with the white balance tool or set a gray point in curves to anchor correction. Make localized edits with hue/saturation and layer masks to preserve skin tones and highlights. Because global changes can desaturate important details, blend gradually and toggle the adjustment visibility to judge progress. To finish, refine by lowering adjustment layer opacity or using blend if sliders so corrections sit naturally. You want consistency without banding. If you're matching multiple shots, use a group adjustment or reference view to copy settings and tweak per image. Finally, always check across devices and convert to the intended color space. If skin tones remain unnatural, isolate those areas with a mask and apply a separate, subtler correction. This targeted approach fixes stubborn magenta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.